I'm Isa Garriga and I go to Lord's Academy and I'm a junior. On the PSAT, I took it sophomore year and I got a 520 in math, which obviously made me realize that that wasn't good enough for the colleges that I want to attend in the future. So I decided to join the math tutoring over the summer. Before, I've always been really good at math and it's always been my strong suit, but I just think I needed like a little push and exposure to the type of SAT questions and also like reminding me of some concepts. It was kind of like the wording because I wasn't familiar with it, so it made me like super confused on every question. Since it was virtual, I thought I was gonna get like easily distracted, but since the tutors are always like handing you work and like doing questions and interacting with you, that's not the case at all. Like instead, like it makes you even more engaged. And like you honestly don't even pay attention to the distractions around you. I think I really liked it, and you have to like trust the process. You can't just come in thinking that you're not gonna learn just because you're with other people. It's actually like the opposite. You learn even more because you like hear their questions and hear like how they solved in a different way that maybe it's more effective for you. I think it's really effective and good, but again, like you have to be willing to put in like all the work and like make sure you're doing all the homeworks and like every practice test because in the end, like that's what pays off the most, especially the practice test, I would say is the most effective way of improving. My final score was a 730 in math and I improved 210 points originally from a 520. So it's like enabled me to honestly like take off some of the stress from junior year because I did the tutoring over the summer, which I think was is a great option for like sophomores willing to like not be super stressed out their junior year and complete it over the summer so that you don't have to be worrying about the homework and also the school homework. I think it's honestly just like trusting the process because sometimes I would do like math practices and I wasn't like where I wanted to be, but I kept on like improving and like kept on like repeating those questions that I would mess up on. And in the end, like after so much like exposure and like so much practice, like you will improve. And like if you're willing to put in the work, you will definitely improve a lot of points. It just depends on how much work you're willing to put in.